liberty. Let us not bask in the glory of I belong to this and that economic category, or I belong to this and that continent. Let us do this because it makes sense for us. This agreement today hopefully will open doors for our other partners within the East African community, our 7 countries there, our 300 million people there, indeed graduating into the 28 member states of our tripartite free trade agreement, which we hope to ratify and operational very soon, so that that can be a very good building block between our 28 countries of the TFTA and the 27 countries of Europe, as we pave the way for all other African countries within the context of AFCFTA to be able to build on what we start today. Of course, for us to do this, we have to get the support, one, of our respective peoples in Kenya and the European Union, but also to demonstrate that it pays for us to have multilateralism and that protectionism has got no place in the modern world economy. So we want to work together with the European Union and Kenya to work on a program of early harvest, where we align the programs that are there within the European Union with the Kenya Kwanza government priorities within our plan, so that we can be able to demonstrate to our respective peoples, our region, and our respective continents that indeed multilateralism pays. So thank you very much, and congratulations to all. Thank you. So let me take this opportunity to welcome the EVP of the European Union, Vardes, to come and make his remarks. Thank you very much.